guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Williams, Arizona, the gateway to the Grand Canyon on Route 66.
Alright guys, if you've seen our last few videos, you know we've been spending a bunch of time in the Grand Canyon, and although there are some really nice hotels to stay at in the Grand Canyon, we decided to stay about an hour outside in a small town called Williams. It is the train depot for the train to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
And when we booked this motel, we really had no intentions of doing a whole video about Williams.
Right.
But now that we're here and we've seen how much there is in this town, we thought we have to do a video and
Absolutely.
show you guys a little bit about this place.
You're gonna want to come check it out yourselves. While we were in Williams, we stayed at the El Rancho Motel. I definitely recommend it. It was super clean. The staff was very friendly. Definitely recommend it. It's also within walking distance of the downtown area.
Williams was such a cute, touristy little town. It offered a variety of Americana-style shops and restaurants that date back to the early 1900s. There was so much to look at in each of the stores, and if you're into antiquing, you will definitely love Williams. The locals were extremely friendly and welcoming, and we had some really great dining experiences.
Williams also offers a few different activities for you and your family. For the adventurous types, they have a mountain coaster that is a mile long, with summer and winter tubing at Canyon Coaster Adventure Park. They also have a 1,400-foot zip line, which allows you to soar right along the side of Route 66.
They have a cute little park here that you can take a walk through with a train car over, I think, what used to be their river. Williams, Arizona is also where the train to the Grand Canyon starts. So I'm just seeing that there are cowboys over there. When you're on board the Grand Canyon train, they actually do like an interactive story with you. And these guys over here, they're going to hijack the train. Pretty cool. I'm so glad we're standing here and we get to see this.
The train goes directly from Williams to the South Rim in the Grand Canyon. They boast a number of different railway and hotel packages, and this is definitely something on my bucket list.
Alright, so this town is full of little gift shops and great little stores along this strip. But now it's time for us to jump back in the car and we're heading to another little town about an hour and a half from here. And there's a good reason why we're heading there. We are on a legit mountain pass road. No trucks allowed. This road is narrow and it's definitely got some steep drops on some of the sides of this.
Oh yeah, I am going smooth.
Man, the scenery is incredible out here.
So beautiful. Oh, the people on this road have like gigantic fifth wheels. I would be shitting bricks. So I managed to find in my researching when I was looking into when we were coming to Las Vegas, this little town outside of Vegas called Oatman. And it's an old mining town from years ago, but there's not a lot of people left nowadays, but apparently this town has wild burros or donkeys just roaming the streets. So of course, if anyone knows me, I love donkeys. Of course, we had to come here, out of our way entirely, to Oatman. We just took a quick little pit stop off the side of the road, and there are some beautiful views from up here. donkeys or I'm going to cry. I'm very excited about this. We have made it to Oatman and I'm so excited. There better be a donkey for me.
All right, so behind me here is the Oatman Hotel. It was built in 1902. They did have a fire in the 1930s. This was one of the only buildings that survived. Now, they say that Clark Gable and his wife came here and stayed there on their honeymoon, although online they say that's not true. But they do have an upstairs here that they turned into a museum. They have the little suite that Clark Gable stayed in, and they have a ton of gift things that you can buy up there.
We see some burros. Oh my God, they're so cute. So there are places here that you can buy burro food. They just ask you not to feed them on the porches, obviously. Maybe they'll want what I have in my bag. Oh, no.
No, doesn't want it.
Oh, they don't want my treats. So sad.
So at one point, this town was home to over 3,500 people. Now it's home to only about 100. But back in the day, this was actually one of the biggest mining communities on the West Coast.
This is pretty cool. Good experience if you've never been to a gold mine.
After me! Got a broom!
Oh!
Where'd he go?
Check the X-ray office out. Hey!
What?
What happened?
Oh, the old man over there, he got upset when I went for his saddlebags. He went for a gun, so I had to shoot. Come on, get out of town.
You wanted to fight over saddlebags?
Yeah, I thought that was kind of funny. It's gotta be gold.
Oh! Oh, what'd you shoot me for?
I didn't shoot you. I shot him.
Well, what do you miss?
One Arizona.
I like it.
2 Arizona.
Yeah.
4 Arizona. 5 Arizona.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute. I missed one, didn't I?
Yeah, you forgot one we're gonna shoot on.
Yeah, please.
Guys, if you haven't already checked out Oatman, I definitely think you should. It was so cute. The people here are very friendly, and the donkeys, of course, are the main attraction. They only didn't like my goods. All right, now we're gonna head back to Las Vegas. All right, we have made it back to Vegas. Now, a quick little travel tip for you. Our flight is in a few hours, so we don't want to carry around our luggage while we're here. So they have bag check at every hotel. So if you tip the gentleman a couple of dollars, they will hold your bags for you and you can do what you need to do, have some food before your flight.
it to the airport and we're gonna go in and go through security and wait for our plane.
Alright guys, they are starting to board our flight, which means we are on our way back to Ontario, which means this vacation has come to an end.
Yep.
Thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one when we're back in Canada.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, so behind me is the Oatman Hotel. It was built in 1902.
Maybe it was on a hill or something.
She saw a bird, got excited.